I'm Sam or Samantha. Uh, I haven't declared a major yet. I took this class as part of the requirements for getting the academic certificate in sustainability. Once I do that, then I plan to really hone in more on what I want to focus on, whether that's humanities or environmental science. That's why I'm attending school. And what I plan to do with the education that I receive is hopefully become a park ranger or a game warden. Arizona has such beautiful national forests, and I would really love to be involved some way in preserving those, and working outside would be really awesome. The obligations and responsibilities that take up most of my time are work. I was an executive chef, but I've taken a step back from that so that I can focus on my education and schooling. I plan to switch careers completely. So I really felt like I needed the extra time to be able to focus on this and do well. One interesting thing about me is my boyfriend recently got an electric unicycle, which sounds really nerdy and weird, but if you look them up on YouTube, they're actually very, very cool. And he's teaching me to ride it. I'm struggling. My balance is not nearly as good as his, but he uses that as his main mode of transportation most places, and it's fully electric, so it's good for the environment. Uh, Sorry, those are my dogs. Have you experienced a natural disaster? Yes, I have. I grew up in Iowa. We have several tornadoes throughout my childhood growing up there. It flooded every year. Yeah, so at least those natural disasters I have experienced. And when I lived in Colorado, there were rock slides quite often and forest fires. I was there for the Waldo Canyon fire, um, and the Black Forest fire as well. Something interesting from the instructor's video, I found it interesting that she also is from Iowa and that she went to UNI, as my brother and his wife both went to the University of Northern Iowa. So I thought that was neat. Once again, Sam, nice to meet you guys.